will follow up Mr. Shoshin, who passed away, and the new president. Very well, welcome.
Congratulations.
So, again, together for the future, ICT China and as it is officially necessary also for China, we will give the certificate that he will be the new president.
I